Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to check your account balance on Hostinger in 2024. Whether you're managing renewals or looking at your credits in your account, this guide will walk you through it. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and head on to the Hostinger's official website, which is www.hostinger.com. And once you land on this page, click on the hamburger option on the top right corner of the screen, and from here click on the login option and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into the account, navigate to the billing section, which is on the top left corner of the screen, and from here click on the billing option. Inside the billing option, click on the third option, which is payment methods. From here you can see the Hostinger balance is located just below the payments method. Here you will find all the detail about your account balance. This includes any available credits, refunds or payment made to your Hostinger account. If you have any Hostinger credits, you can use them for domain renewals, hosting plans or other services. And that's it. You now know how to check your Hostinger balance. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next